What's up everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Adrian and in this video I want to talk to you guys about how many business schools you should apply to. But before I start this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated on new videos. Also, please hit the like button if you find this video valuable and informative. It helps for the YouTube algorithm, and if we can get this video in front of as many people as possible, this would make me very happy. Coming back to the question as to how many business schools you should apply to, unfortunately there is no clear answer to this question. The best answer is it depends. And it depends on so many things. Your profile, GMAT score, demographics, work experience, the schools you're trying to get into, and if you can deal with the possibility of being rejected. Some MBA admissions consultants say everyone should apply to 5 to 6 schools, and that's it, because applying to only a few MBA programs will save you a ton of time, a fair bit of money, and will allow you to dedicate more energy to each application, which also increases your chances. And it will not only overwhelm yourself, but also your recommenders who are going to provide those fancy recommendation letters for you. Others say hedge your risk and apply to as many schools as possible, especially if your priority is to start an MBA as soon as possible. But to give you at least some guidance and help, here are 3 tips for choosing the right number of business schools for you. Number 1, if you are 100% sure that you want to go to business school the next fall, no matter what, apply to 2 to 3 business schools, but not just any schools. Once you have found those 2 to 3 schools that are in line with your goals, have relatively good acceptance rates, say higher than 30%, and for which you are strongly competitive, apply to those. These will be your safety net. If you are the rare applicant that can find only 2 to 3 schools that support your goals and meet your needs, then apply to just those schools. During my MBA, I have met several people who only applied to one business school. In my case, it was YESE and Yale School of Management, because they knew they want to go to that particular school and they will be offered a spot. If you're applying to schools that admit 15 to 30% of applicants and you believe you are competitive, but not positive of your acceptance, you should apply to 3 to 6 in this range, as well as 1 to 2 where your admission prospects are good. I would generally advise you to evaluate your goals and qualifications. As an MBA applicant, you might already know how important it is to have a clearly defined MBA goal. You must evaluate your goals and qualifications in relation to your competitiveness. Sometimes it helps to talk to people in your target industry and get their view on certain business schools. You don't have to go to HBS to end up working at Amazon, Facebook or Google. There are other great programs they like to hire from, and these schools are not necessarily in the top 20. So if you are one of an overrepresented group applying to business school, think Indian males in the IT sector, you may benefit from applying to additional schools that support your goals or to programs where your stats are clearly above average. Here is another great tip for you guys. You don't have to send in all of your applications in round 1. You can save second choice or safety applications for round 2. The bottom line is this. Some say that applying to 6 to 8 schools is too expensive, takes too much time, and lowers the quality of your applications. I'm a big fan of hedging risk and applying to as many schools as possible. You can learn how to save MBA application fees in this video right here. I'm explaining in detail how you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. It is worth watching. Also, one more piece of advice. Only apply to schools you would be happy to attend. There is no value in applying to a school just to get an acceptance letter if the program won't position you to accomplish your post-MBA career goals. Sending in 8 to 10 applications all at once may result in you submitting rushed applications that won't present you in the best light. Cut and paste MBA applications can work, but it's better to prepare carefully targeted and prepared applications, and that's exactly what business schools want to see. Admissions committees can exactly tell when an applicant is just looking for some school, just any school, and there's a reason why so many schools ask applicants for an essay that explains why us in particular. If you keep your list short, your applications will reflect your serious investment in the programs on your target list, and in return, the schools will invest in you. But once again, on the other hand, spreading these out over 2 rounds can increase your likelihood of being accepted. You need to consider all of the ramifications and make your own decision. Again, it all depends. Question of the day: how many schools do you want to apply to, and which ones are those? Let me know in the comment section below. And with that said, I'm concluding this video. Thank you so much for watching. Smash the like button if you found this video valuable. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel to be updated on new videos. My name is Adrian. Stay safe and see you next time.